feel like I've lost my touch a little bit. Come on, Judi, get it together. Hello, I'm Judi, the organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. If you're new, thank you for joining our tribe. It has been a minute since I've uploaded a video, maybe about a month and a half, and I promise you guys, I'm not done. I haven't quit. I've just been super busy, and now I'm finally back to give you guys all the content around organizing that you need. So with that said, in today's video, I'm going to give you 3 simple ways to teach your children how to get organized. So with that said, let's get right into the video. Please keep in mind, if you don't have children, this also applies to maybe your siblings, to your students, to your nieces and nephews, really just all children. You may say, I don't have children, so this doesn't apply to me. It does. So with that said, the first simple way to teach your children how to get organized is you have to make it fun. What do you have to make fun? The process of putting things back where they go, the process of getting things, of creating designated spaces. You have to make sure the entire process of getting organized is almost a game. I have seen this to be a thing that most kids love because kids love games. You remember when you were a kid, even now, we love games. And when you make creating a habit a game, it's easier for kids to attach themselves to that game and want to continue playing the game. Of course, it won't always be a game, but as long as they know that it is a fun process and not a daunting process, because let's be real, organizing for children is not a habit that comes natural to them. They like chaos. So when you're able to create a habit and make it fun for them, they're more likely to continue doing it even until adulthood. The second simple way to teach children how to be organized is you have to be repetitive. When it comes to telling them to put it back, you will have to say it more than 5, 10, 15, 100 times in order for them to retain the information. Children are different than us adults. They are or have the most innocent minds. They need to be taught. Some children, yes, will hear you say it once and they'll just keep doing it, but a lot of children won't. So don't get upset if they don't hear you or listen to you the first time or the 5th time. It's a journey. It's a marathon. They have to learn these habits, and you know as adults how hard it is to learn a habit and to keep that habit. So make sure that you are aware of the fact that you will be repeating the action all the time. So when they have to put something back, you may tell them 10 times, put it back in the drawer, put it back in the drawer, go hang it up, put your toy in your toy bin. You will have to say it more than 10 times in order for them to retain the information and understand where it goes. Of course, you can make it a game, which will make it fun, but there will be times when they don't do it, which is okay. You just have to make sure that before they use that toy again, that they at least put it back. So for instance, let's say the toy bear they wanted to use at that time, that day, is in the living room. What you can do is say, hey, before you use that toy bear, go put it back in that bin. That's just it teaches them that that's where it goes when you're done using it. And then once they put it back in the toy bin, they can then grab the toy and play with it. You are teaching a habit that needs to be taught because it doesn't come natural to them. And with repetition, they will create that habit. Therefore, hopefully that habit will last until adulthood or until adulthood and past adulthood. What is past adulthood? There's no past adulthood. Anywho. So the third simple way to teach your children how to get organized is to give them a reward. So a reward doesn't necessarily have to be a physical item. It doesn't have to be a snack. It doesn't have to be a toy. It can be something as appreciation. You can tell them a few words like, thank you for putting it back where it goes, or good job. Those rewards activate something in the mental space that lets them know that whenever they put their items back where it goes, that it's a good thing. it's going to benefit them in some way, some shape or form. There's something about rewarding people that makes them continue doing that good thing we need them to do. You remember when you were a child, for example, as an adult, when you do something good for your company and your company recognizes you, or your boss recognizes you and says, hey, good job, or you get a raise or a bonus for that good thing you did, it feels good and it makes us want to continue to do it. That's the same thing for kids. I guess we're all kids at the end of the day. They love to be rewarded. They love to be told that they've done a good job. They love to be given things because of the good job. And when it comes to the physical items like a snack, you don't have to give them a snack every time they put up their toy, but maybe it can be at the end of the week. Maybe you have a chart and every day at the end of the day, you check off the row that says put their items back. And at the end of the week, if they've done their chore or they've put away their toys, you can then gift them with something. Again, it doesn't have to be anything physical. It can be a snack. It can be maybe a fun day at a fun park they love. It can be whatever you need it to be. As long as you're rewarding them in some capacity, it's going to help create that habit, which will make them continue doing it without you even saying anything. So let me know in the comment section below if you've done any of these things when it comes to the children of your life and you are teaching them to be organized. I feel like it's really simple to teach children how to be organized, and when you follow very simple steps or a very simple process, you will teach them how to be organized. And of course, they will take it into adulthood, which is most important. In my profession, I see that organizing skills starts at a very young age. Yes, a lot of adults can learn the skill and adopt it into their life. But when you teach a child how to be organized, how to declutter, then they'll learn the skills at a very early age, and they can take it to their adulthood and become great adults with another adult. So it just makes them better equipped adults. And I believe that's what we all want for the children in our lives. Or maybe we don't, but I don't know, I do. Anywho, I hope this video helped you figure out how you can teach your children how to get organized, or the children in your life how to get organized, because we need to break that cycle, right? We don't want to bring those tendencies, those hoarding tendencies, those clutter or disorganized tendencies into adulthood. We want to make sure we break it at a point where they can truly learn how to be organized as children, and then they can bring it into adulthood. So that's my plan. Thank you so much again. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. As always, please give this video a like and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I do post a video. I plan on posting videos more consistently really soon. But yes, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon. Bye.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.